Welcome back. Well, the market's still holding in the green, so that's good. Now, today the event is mostly playing out and bulk of the good news is going to be digested, but it's going to be about earnings, and earnings from here on. And Vivek joins us to give us a wrap about some companies that have actually delivered the numbers today. Vivek, take it away.
Well, that's right. Between last evening as well as today, quite a few earnings, have slipped our attention, but sharp reactions is what most of them are seeing. First on the list, a couple of hours ago, Varun Beverages came out with a set of numbers. Post the earnings, you saw a very sharp spike, post which it has cooled off considerably. In terms of the numbers themselves, on a year-on-year basis, revenues higher by 14%, EBITDA higher by 10.5%, margins at 15.7%, and profitability jumping by 33%. However, the management commentary has mentioned that this particular quarter was impacted by unseasonal rains, and especially when you're talking about the domestic volume growth, quite healthy at 10.5%. But despite that, margins have been something that's a bit of a dampener. It'll be important to see the kind of guidance that the management will give in the conference call, but the stock has seen a sharp fall. Ather Energy, very sharp up move that was seen in the stock today. Healthy set of numbers as far as Q3 is concerned. A major significant margin improvement, almost 1,600 basis points improvement on a year-on-year basis. Total income is up 53%, and the management said that they saw continued market share gain as well as volume increase on the back of, and a very healthy commentary coming in from the management as well today when they joined us. Interarch, again, a mid-cap company, but very sharp up move that is seen in the stock today. Revenues have almost 43% on a year-on-year basis on account of an expanded capacity base. EBITDA higher by 44%, margin steady at 9.5%, and profitability up at 32%. Order book quite healthy at over 1,650 crore. City Union Bank, clearly an outlier, very strong set of numbers as far as the smaller private banking names are concerned. Net interest income up almost 28%. The pre-provisioning operating profits up almost 17.5%. Profitability high by 16%. And the management got the confidence to go ahead and up the loan growth guidance from low to mid-teens to now mid to high teens. So that particular stock doing quite well. On the other hand, Utkarsh Small Finance Bank, multiple consecutive quarters of loss that this particular company has seen on a sequential basis. Losses have widened and credit cost elevated quite significantly, almost 10 to 15 basis points in this particular quarter. That stock seeing quite a bit of a decline today.
Very helpful summary, Vivek. Thank you very much for joining in.